Good evening, friends. I hope y'all are having a fantastic day. I am going to talk to you about our project this week, and it is a cute little ice cream gift card holder. So this is one of the projects. Hi, Teresa. This, spoiler alert, is one of the projects for my weekend craft retreat this weekend. So if you're coming and you don't want to see the project, then you can go about your business. But if you want a little sneak peek of something that we're making this weekend, then keep watching. So I'm super happy about the projects for the weekend. And this gift card holder is just in time for things like Mother's Day. I know Susie's clapping because she's coming. This is perfect for Mother's Day, graduation. This is that season where we're going to be Father's Day giving lots of gifts. And you can just stick your little gift card in here, and it's the cutest. All right. So stay tuned to the end, and I will explain to you how you can purchase a retreat to go shipped to your house. Okay, so I was lucky enough to have some extras, and when we get to the end, I'll tell you how to do that. Alrighty, let me flip my camera down here and show you what we're gonna make. So my retreats have a variety of projects. Certainly we have cards, but always try to sneak in a few other things for the retreat. So this is our one of our fun non-card projects. It looks like a card at first glance, but it's actually a gift card holder. And it uses this stamp set called Sweet Ice Cream. And the neat thing about this stamp set is it has a coordinating punch. Now, the punch is on back order, but it's going to be here really soon. So don't even let that sweat you. You can go ahead and get it so you'll get in line to get that punch. It's, of course, very popular because it's the cutest thing. And the stamp set has the great mixed fonts, but the cool thing about it is you've got lots of options. So birthdays, thank yous. This could be just about anything. Treat yourself for a gift like Mother's Day, Father's Day, graduation. But you've got these cute little coordinating stamps that say you're so cool, sprinkles on top, or hope it's sweet. So lots of cute options there with that stamp set. And any stamp set that has a coordinating punch is one of the first things that reaches my craft room because I love a good stamp set and punch combo. So when you get your retreat, it will come like this. Well, this is part of it. Let me show you what the whole, well, this is, I can't show you everything because I'm not spoiling all the surprises for the weekend. But this is what the retreat to go, the main packet of the retreat to go looks like. So you'll have the whole pack of designer paper, all of the make and takes, your embellishments that you need to complete your projects, and some candy to put in the box that we're going to make. So you will pull out the make and take, which I'm going to do. And at the retreat itself, you will get videos and PDFs that are going to be exactly the same videos and PDFs that the people that are having their retreat to go will get. So you will receive PDFs for the retreat and videos that will explain to you how to do these projects. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this one right now. So when you get your retreat packet, your designer paper is not cut yet because some people like to scrapbook, so I do leave that uncut. So you'll pull out the piece and your PDF will be highlighted exactly what you need to do, but you'll know that you need to cut a piece of designer paper 5 1/4 by 2 1/2. So we'll do that real quick. Super simple. 2 1/2. So it's mindless crafting, which is, I mean, who doesn't love that, right? Just kick back and let me do all the work. So 2.5, did I say 5 1/4? Yes. 5 1/4. So this one's very quick and easy. And then the other thing you'll need is to punch some ice cream for your scoop. And I like to pick one of these like fancy pieces like that, like something real cute and fancy. So I'm going to use that. And then you're going to pull the piece of paper out of your pack that has the cones. Now here's a tip on this. Hi Sharon, sometimes when you punch this designer paper, it gives it a little jagged look to it. So if you turn it upside down and punch it, then that helps you have less of the jaggedness on the side that you want. So just a little tip with your ice cream punch there. Okay, so you're ready to rock and roll. And of course your PDFs will have all the dimensions for the project that you will need. And you can recreate them, but everything else will be done for you already. So I've cut, scored, all the packages, all the die cuts are done. This, of course, you'll recognize is Purple Posy, one of our retiring colors. Let me see if I can find a bone folder. It's always a miracle when I find one. All right, so we're gonna fold this back this way and this way. Okay, so opposite, opposite. And then this is going to go right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and stamp You're So Cool. And the inks you're gonna need for this retreat to go are Blackberry Bliss, Bermuda Bay, Soft Suede, Mango Melody, and Terracotta Tile. So, or something similar. Okay, they're very forgiving. So if you don't have those exact colors, then you substitute what works. So lots of purples will work, browns. I mean, there's a lot of options here. So we're just gonna stamp this You're So Cool a little bit over to the right. And then you're going to stamp this little insert with the, I think I'm gonna make this one say happy birthday. Or let's just make it say treat yourself. I think that's perfect because you can basically use that for anything. It can be a thank you, it can be a graduation. There's so many options with this stamp set. So treat yourself. Now obviously a Cold Stone Creamery would be perfect for this project. I don't have a Cold Stone Creamery gift card to show you, but if I did, that's what I would do. If I had one, that's what I would use it for. So now we're going to get our designer paper stuck down. So I'm going to, and that's cute too. So we have so many cute patterns on this ice cream paper. Every angle of it is perfectly cute. This is the one that I chose. I call this the splotchy paper. I don't know what you call it, but that's what I call it. So we just stick our designer paper down there. And frankly, that's really the only place where you're gonna stick designer paper down. This gets folded down. And then you can either use Stampin' Seal or tear and tape. I prefer tear and tape for these types of situations because it's just it holds really well. But Stampin' Seal Plus will also hold quite well. I just like this because I can see exactly where it's going. So this is going to close our gift card holder just perfectly. Okay, like so. And then I like to flip it over and give it a nice little burnish. And then I'm gonna slip my little strip down there. This goes inside as a little cute. That's your backup plan for your gift card. So you can just slip your gift card in there. And Now the last thing we're going to do is just build up our dies. So this die is part of the layering circles. It is not retiring, but very sadly, this stitched circles die is retiring. So if you don't have it, actually it's called stitched shapes dies. If you don't have them, get them. They are the best. Like if you don't have them, first of all, you haven't watched my last Facebook Lives for like the last 3 years. Because I use them in every single one practically, but if you don't have it, grab it. I have 3 sets. That's how much I like them. All right, so I'm going to now use my Wink of Stella to make this ice cream. I mean, the ice cream itself is cute enough, but how much cuter is it when we sparkle it up with our Wink of Stella? So sparkly ice cream is necessary. So sparkle that up with your Wink of Stella. And sometimes at my retreat, these things that you need to make your projects magically appear on your table. So you never know when you might get something new. All right, so just you're gonna stick that down with your dimensionals. And then, let me see. Oh, grab my ribbon. I have extra, which I was using for my projects, but anywho, you get the drift. Tie and stick down a blackberry bow there. And then the last thing you're going to do is finish it off with Artistry Blooms sequins. Okay, so these are all packed away and ready for my retreat. My apologies. But everything's ready to go. I have only 3 retreats to go left. So that's how many. Oh, here's my ribbon. Ta-da! I knew it was in an important place. I've only got 3 retreats to go left. So on this Facebook Live that I'm doing right now is a link to register for those 3 kits. If you click it and it says registration is full, that means that they're gone. So I've set the limit for those 3, and this will get shipped right to your house. With your videos and PDFs will come by Friday. So you'll be ready to rock and roll by the time your retreat arrives. Let me show you the other projects that we're making. Now this is a serious spoiler alert. If you're coming to the retreat and you don't want to see the projects, then close your eyes because I'm about to show them. We have a cute little card. Now the designer paper is in these cards because I'm going to be making my videos, so you'll see little pieces flying around. We have a Z-fold card. We have a really fun card there with our different colors. We have another fun card. So lots of great cards. A cute box that holds some gummy candy. Oh good, I found the Artistry Bloom sequins too. Another card. Oh, a faker shaker. You can't go wrong with a faker shaker. And a cute little tag. So there's our fun, cute little tag for a gift. And I shall stick my cute little sequins on my project to finish it off completely. I chose the Artistry Bloom sequins. They come in Pool Party, like a crushed curry type color, a terracotta, and a blackberry bliss, but they pretty much go with anything in that color family. Okay. Hey, Dina. And I'm going to just stick these down here around the sentiment. 1, 2, 3. So you are so cool for watching this video. And if you would like to participate in my retreat to go, I have 3 left. You can click the link on this post and that will get shipped right to you. So if you don't have the ice cream bundle. You can choose the option to add the bundle. If you do, just get the retreat to go and use your own bundle. Also, if you're one of my happy shoppers, then you will get the PDFs for these projects for free. However, if you are not, you may purchase the PDFs for these projects. That is also one of the options when you register. So thanks for watching, friends, and we will see you later.